Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own Google shopping campaigns for all your products. So the benefits of this setting up this campaign is that it's automatic, which means once you set it up, you don't really have to do anything else. It will just, be, you will start getting sales on autopilot type of stuff. It's not like Facebook ads. You don't have to, all you have to do is just readjust the budget. If it's working, just keep increasing the budget as the time goes, if the product is selling and you're profitable with that campaign. Before we get into this video, I have an update on my Merchant Center account. Basically, it was approved. The problem was that they claim customers were not able to locate my business email, either the email or the phone number. So in this case, I only have an email. So they said they could not locate that email, and also they could not locate the business location, the return address easily. Although both of these informations were under the refund policy page, they still made it a big deal and disapproved my Merchant Center account for about a week. But now it has been approved, so we're all good to go. So here's the email that they sent me today. They said good news, account reviewed, and it has been approved basically. So it will go live within the next 24 to 48 hours. If we go to the store that I have that I'm running here, and we're gonna go to apps. And we're gonna go to Google Shopping app, where the products are pending currently to run a smart shopping campaign from the Google Shopping app. Here we go. Now we are on the Google Shopping campaign app. As you can see, I have the 5 products here in my store. They're all in the pending. They're all pending right now currently. So once they're approved, I'm gonna be good to go to run the smart shopping campaign. So this campaign is very simple. This is the most basic campaign that you could ever run in your life. All you gotta do is set up the campaign budget, and you're just gonna put the name, Google Smart Shopping Campaign, and boom, that's it. That's how you just set it up. This campaign is currently paused because all of my products are pending. Once they're approved, it will start running automatically, and you can also manage this campaign from here. So this is the campaign that's it already automatically gives it a name on Google AdWords account. So this is called campaign for 33285. I don't know what that means, but that's the name it gives automatically to the campaign that you start running from your Shopify store. But sometimes, as you can see, my Merchant Center account was disapproved for about a week. So since it was disapproved, I couldn't run that smart shopping campaign with all of my products. Now what I'm going to show you guys is how to set up smart shopping campaign for all your products from Google AdWords account. And you can also, this is not gonna be really automatic. You can pick and choose which products to advertise on the smart shopping campaign. So here I'm on my Google Ads account for the store. I'm gonna go to shopping campaign, and I'm gonna go to campaigns here, and I'm gonna create a campaign, new one. So we're gonna click sales. We don't need website traffic. We don't need brand awareness. We don't need none of that. And here there's a select campaign type, which is, we're gonna choose shopping campaign because we don't want it to appear on the search results. We don't want it on display. We just want it shopping in the shopping column. Here we're gonna choose the Shopzilla for the Merchant Center account. I've only created one type of campaign for which includes all of the products in my store, which is right here, Shopzilla, and this is the number, the code for the campaign. And here we cannot choose smart shopping campaign. The reason is that with the manually, when we do that, since the store is new and we do not have any conversions, we cannot set up that smart shopping campaign, because for a smart shopping campaign you need some type of conversions prior, most likely. Let's see how many. Let's see, learn more. Okay, here you go. Wait, something came up. Okay, we need at least 20 conversions to set up a smart shopping campaign. So as you can see, that's the answer. You need at least 20 conversions. So we're not gonna do that for now. We're just gonna go with standard shopping campaign. It will not be smart, obviously. It's not gonna be dumb either, but it's just gonna be manually created. It's just going to be the basic 3.0 average guy, that type of campaign. But we're gonna go ahead and set up. So we're gonna set up the campaign for the heated vest. I named it heated vest standard shopping campaign, and for the bidding we're gonna go with manual CPC at the beginning. So we're gonna place the bidding later in the campaign. So for now, we're gonna do the budget. Let's just put it on $50. Let's start off. And for the delivery method, you always want to put in standard. If you put it on accelerated, which means that the budget is gonna be like, your budget is gonna be spent very quickly. You know, it's gonna be spent for no reason. You're not really gonna get conversions at all. And for the campaign priority, we're just gonna put it on low, which is gonna be default. Only if you're running multiple campaigns for the same product, then you're gonna have to choose which one to prioritize and which one to show first, which campaign to, you know, spend the most money first. So for the search partners, we always want to include the Google search partners. The reason is that it gives you lower cost per click than actual Google Shopping or Google search results. It's a fact. I've seen it all the time with my previous campaigns. In my main store is that whenever I include this search partners, it gives me the lower cost per click than actual search results or shopping campaigns. So for devices, it's automatically you know, by default. And for the locations, based on which locations, which countries giving you the most search results, you want to go with that country. So I'm not gonna do a whole research on this specific product. So this is just a demonstration of how to set that up. So let's just go with United States and Canada for now. And for the start and end dates, you can go ahead and pick it from here. So I'm gonna it's just gonna be start date is gonna be from today, and for the end date you can select a date, but I don't have an end date. We're gonna save and continue. Here we have to select which type of product, you know, ad group type of, you know, whatever it's called, ad group type. We're gonna pick. It's either gonna be showcase shopping or product shopping, which means that if you choose product shopping, you're only promoting individual products for that specific campaign. When you're choosing showcase shopping, you are picking various of products, and they're all gonna be mixed up in the showing. So I always want to go with product shopping because I want to promote the individual products, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna do heated vest product shopping, and here is how much I want to bid for each cost per click. So I'm gonna start with 80 cents. I think 80 cents is pretty good since the product cost itself is about $80. Holy crap, that was loud. Now we have to make some adjustments because as you can see, the product group is gonna be all the products right now. So what we're gonna do is click this plus button, and now we're gonna go to product item ID, and then we're gonna choose which products that I want to advertise specifically. So I don't want to advertise all of the products that are in my Merchant Center account campaign. So I'm gonna choose the right here, heated vest. I'm gonna do this. So this is all the variations, like black XL, like medium size. I'm gonna include all of them. I've picked all the variations for this specific product, and so whenever you are running these type of campaigns, you want to go ahead and you know, go with item ID and choose specific products that you have. If you have a general store, you can go with category, which means if you have a lot of products in your store and you want to categorize it by makeup, fitness, home and garden, whatever that you want to do, you can just pick that and boom. So if I have 16 product variations for apparel and accessories, I'm not gonna do that because I'm trying to run a shopping campaign for only one product. So boom, now I've chosen the variations. We're gonna click continue. Here we can edit the bids. We're only going to edit the bids if we know that after we have a data for this campaign. The reason is that some of the product variations sell the best and with the cheapest cost per conversions and with cheapest cost per click. So when we have that data, we can just specifically edit the bidding for each of these variations. So for example, the XL might sell better than the large size, right? So when that happens, we're gonna go ahead and edit the cost per click for each of those individual variations. But we do not have any data, so we're just gonna leave it at 80 cents for now. We're gonna go ahead and save, and boom, now we have the campaign running for these for this only specific product variations, which is the heated vest. So basically this is it, guys. That's how you set up your own Google Shopping campaign for each individual product that you have. I recommend to run this type of campaign for the products that you know are selling really well, either through a search campaign that you're running on Google Ads, or if you're running this product, if you're advertising this on Facebook and it's selling well, you definitely want to try it out on Google Shopping Ads campaign, because it really performs well for my other store. I do have a couple winners that runs like this all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comments below. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. I'll try to upload more videos on a daily basis. I'm trying my best. I get distracted real fast with other things that I have going on with my stores and the VA and everything, trying to scale it out to the most I can. So see you guys until the next one. Peace out.